Are you looking for a solution to how to convert Hotmail emails to MBOX file? First of all, install and run Mac Uncle Email Backup. Select Hotmail from email source. Now enter Hotmail account credentials. Now enter Hotmail app password. If you don't know how to create an app password, check the video description. Now enter the created app password. Now click on Login. You can select desired folders for the conversion. Now, click on the drop-down menu of the Savings option, which shows you multiple saving file formats. Select MBOX as saving option. If you want to change the destination path location, you can click on the Browse button. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you many useful features to migrate specific emails by using filter options such as date range, to, from and subject. Click on checkbox button of Use Selective Export Settings for email folders. If you want to convert only sent folder, then choose only Export Sent Folder option. To skip email body content and its attachments, choose Exclude Exporting Email Body Content and Attachments. Now click on Start Email Backup button and proceed further. Now, click on Start Backup button to process the conversion. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message "Conversion completed successfully." Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Now click on OK. Go to the destination folder and check the output file. Converted MBOX file. Thank you for watching the video.